Today's video, we are going to talk about something which hardly a few people do. Why I'm on this journey. I've been making videos from the last 2 months. I've made 3 of them, and all 3 of them have done quite well, being the initials of a channel. They have gained 500 plus views averaging. Okay, there has been enough of watch time to give me the satisfaction I need, give me the motivation I need, and all thanks to you guys who visit the channel, watch the videos, hit those like, share, and comment and whatnot, and then the subscribe button as well. So in today's video, you must be wondering what is the point of making this video, why am I making this video. So basically it's a small introduction I want to give. I want to talk about myself and what I want to grow with, what I would be presenting myself as in the next few months or years or over my lifetime. You guys must be wanting to know, or maybe not, because I'm completely nobody in this world of nobodies, like you and anyone around you is. I too am the same thing, but then here I want to be somebody that the world knows. So the first thing I would like to talk about is why have I made these 3 videos. First of all, I have been in an entrance exam. An entrance exam is a lot of pressure, you know. Anybody appearing for an entrance exam, everybody wants a good life for themselves. Okay, and to get a good life, you need a good college in your career. It does not necessarily state that you need a good college. There are many other ways of getting a great life for yourself, but then getting a good college is one of those ways. So when you enter in an entrance exam, when you try to attempt one, there is a lot going on in your mind, and I'm sure you guys who are preparing for NCHMCT or any other entrance exam, if you are watching this video, you must be going through a lot right now, and I know that because I have been through what you are being through right now. So I did not want you people to be through the same bus I have been through. Okay, trying to look for people who can assist you on this journey, trying to look for people who share the same experiences like you are going through. Okay, so I have been making these 3 videos. I've made these 3 videos just because I wanted to help you people. Apart from that, I've been a bit selfish. Look, I've been growing. Everybody grows across their lives, and then while growing up I realized that I want to be someone in this world. I don't want to die as a nobody. Nobody does actually, okay? But while there are many people who think that the family is everything for them, me too, I do think the same way, but then I want to grow a family that's even bigger. So I definitely want to grow in this world of YouTube, okay? But this is not the take I'm taking for that. I do not I do not see myself grow as an educationalist, okay, which is because a very difficult thing, and then it demands a lot of discipline, which I personally do not have in my life as of now. But of course I'll be developing it over the years and over the time, like everyone does. You grow up, you realize what else is needed in your life to make it a worth rememberable one. You have to take that thing. So definitely I'll be dealing with the more discipline. Okay, have you been noticing the pattern of uploading videos? There's absolutely no pattern. Every time I think of something, it pops into my mind. I think it's worth making a video, I'll be making about it. Okay, for example, recently somebody commented on my channel that how to learn English for this competition. That I realized that if you can deal with English, you should be helping the people as well. So I have noted that I'll be making a video super soon about this topic. But then before it, I thought this would be a lot easier and would be a lot more communicative. So I made these 3 videos. I enjoyed the process basically. I want to learn YouTube, and this is why I made this channel. This is my learning phase. Okay, I want to be a good learner first of all, and then I want to be into this industry. Okay, there goes a quote like this: learn the rules like a pro so you can break them like an artist. If you don't know the rules, basically you'll have to face a lot of difficulties. But then here the thing is, learning the rules is the easiest if you learn them by practicing them. So that is why I tried creating videos. I wanted to understand the algorithm of YouTube, and now I can say that I've understood it quite well. And all thanks to you guys who press those buttons. I would mention it again, who press those buttons that play a vital role in the algorithm of this YouTube industry. Okay, so these are the things that I've been talking about as so far. Okay, and then there are things that make me think about you people who are into this thing right now, preparation thing. Okay, soon a lot is going through your mind, a lot is going in everybody's mind around you, about you as well, because your parents are the most concerned ones after you, or maybe even before you, when it comes to your career. So when people around you are tense about the same thing, I want you people not to be tensed, especially if you are willing to be into this industry. There are a lot of other YouTubers who are helping you a lot, and if you think into a competition with these people, so I'm sorry, you are on the wrong track. I don't believe in competition. I believe in growing myself. Also, this is not something I want to grow with. You would with time realize that I would never monetize this channel, no matter the number of subscribers or viewers. This channel is purely for my learning and yours as well. So over the time you will realize that this guy is making videos because he loves making these things, and also he loves helping us as well. I don't want you to feel alone while you are on the preparation journey. So basically, if you ever feel like you are alone, or if you ever feel like you need someone to talk about these things, I'm always available in the comment section of my YouTube channel. Okay, visit any video, comment it down below. Many of you guys must be knowing that I respond very quickly to the comments. You must see that I do a lot of talk in my comments, and even I have not linked my Instagram as of now, but then a lot of you were asking about it, so I linked it down in the description of other videos, and I'll link it down in this one as well. I don't ask you to follow me on Instagram, just ping me with a DM, just message me over there, and I'll be responding to your queries. So if you ever feel alone, I don't want you to believe that. But then I request you a little request from you people as well. Please do not try to talk about personal life, or please refrain from asking questions that are not important or are out of context. Okay. The thing is, if I want to be available to you people, then you guys must respect that. These are the things that I wanted to talk about in this video. And then if you ever think that this guy is doing this for monetization or to earn money, this is not at all a take on that thing. I've been doing it, but at some other point in my life, and especially not with this part, not with this educating channel. So this is all for today's video. I hope I communicated with you guys well. Okay, and if you think you have questions about something, and definitely about the English part, people who are worried about the English section in this exam because it carries 60 questions, I'll definitely be dealing with this in a video, and you will get to see it super soon. So this is all for the video today. Thank you so much for being patient enough to watch it till here. Okay, and then I appreciate a lot of you guys who support this channel, who push it to reach towards more people, so that they can benefit from it. That's all from me today in this video. Thank you so much for supporting and subscribing to this channel. If you're not done yet, do it. Maybe the upcoming videos will help you a lot. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay.